Hey, we're back in the ITC located right here at Abicord Menzel's US headquarters. So in the first 1200 Pro video, we showed you how to do a simple stitch weld. Then we went to an oscillator. In this one, we're going to use the dual torch assembly. So very similar to that stitch weld, we're going to use a 3-on-9. We're going to fire both torches at the same time, and we're going to use the width of the Abicar and the rough torch positioning to get that alternating stitch pattern that we're after. Okay, so once again, I saved you a little time so you're not having to watch me turn hex screws. But we attached the dual arm attachment on the front of the Abicar 1200 Pro. You just pull these 4 hex off. These are 5mm hex. Start to set this up, and what we want to do is, this is where the little bit of math that comes in. We're going to do a 3-inch weld on 12-inch setters, and both of the torches are going to be fired at the same time. So how do we do that? So we're going to use this, the main torch on the rear of the 1200 Pro as torch A. This goes up and over this stiffener that's here. This is going to be torch B. So if we need 3-inch welds on 12-inch centers, we have a gap of 9 inches. We need a torch offset of 6 inches. So as both of these torches fire, this one's going to be 6 inches ahead. It's going to weld the 3 inches. It's going to backstop, crater fill, and take off to the next. So it's really, really important to make sure you kind of get the rough setup. If I would have used torches here, we would have had a big cable mess and not be able to see real clearly what we're trying to do. But it's pretty straightforward. So we just take that gap, scratch it out on a piece of paper. It's exactly how I did it here to figure out that offset between torch A and torch B. Use the course adjustment, kind of position those torches, and then use these cross slides to fine tune it once you get the torches in a position. But once again, it looks like a big contraption. It looks kind of complicated. It's not. Just do a little bit of math, figure out where that offset needs to be between torch A and torch B, and you'll get that alternating stitch weld that you're after. I want to thank you for tuning in and kind of seeing these videos as we step up through different applications in the Abicar family. So we have a full technical support on all of these products. We have people that are out in the field that are going to help you come demonstrate, answer your questions. We also have people here in our headquarters that are more than willing to help you as well. You can always find all this information we talked about on our website. You can reach out to us through social media or through email, through telephone. We'd be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.